Imagine standing on the serene shores of Lake Garda, the largest and arguably the most picturesque lake in Italy. As you gaze out over the shimmering waters, you can feel the cool breeze carrying the scent of cypress trees and blooming flowers. You've heard stories of this magical place, a haven for both adventurers and those seeking tranquility. But now, you're about to discover it for yourself. Stay with us as we explore 10 incredible things you can do in Garda, Italy. By the end of this video, you'll have a travel itinerary brimming with must-see spots and hidden gems, ensuring your trip to Garda is nothing short of spectacular. Explore the shores of Lake Garda. Nestled in the northern part of Italy, Lake Garda is a treasure trove of natural beauty and historical significance. Spanning an impressive 370 square kilometers, it is the largest lake in Italy, offering a diverse range of landscapes, from steep mountains to gently rolling hills and picturesque towns dotting the shoreline. The lake's pristine waters, fed by mountain streams, reflect a brilliant spectrum of blues and greens, creating a mesmerizing backdrop that has inspired poets and painters for centuries. Sail on Lake Garda. Experience the tranquility and beauty of Lake Garda by setting sail on its sparkling waters. Whether you rent a boat, join a guided tour, or opt for a relaxing ferry ride, the lake offers panoramic views that are nothing short of spectacular. The gentle breeze, the sound of the water lapping against the boat, and the sight of picturesque towns dotting the shoreline make for an unforgettable experience. Enjoy water sports in Riva del Garda. If you're feeling adventurous, why not rent a boat and explore the lake from the water? There are numerous rental services available, offering everything from pedal boats to luxury yachts. For the thrill seekers, Lake Garda is also a hub for water sports, including windsurfing, kitesurfing, and paddleboarding. The northern part of the lake, particularly around Riva del Garda and Torbole, is renowned for its strong winds and is considered one of Europe's premier windsurfing destinations. Visit the Scalagero Castle in Malcesine. Stepping into the historic town of Malcesine feels like traveling back in time, and at the heart of this town lies the imposing Scalagero Castle. Built in the 13th century by the powerful Scalaga family, this fortress served as a strategic military base and a refuge for the townsfolk during turbulent times. Its well-preserved walls and towers offer a glimpse into the medieval era and provide a fascinating insight into the region's rich history. Climb to the top of the tallest tower for a breathtaking view of Lake Garda and the surrounding countryside. The castle also houses a small museum, where you can learn more about its history and see a collection of artifacts from the medieval period. Relax at the thermal spas in Sirmione. After exploring the castle, treat yourself to a relaxing experience at one of Sirmione's famous thermal spas. The town is renowned for its thermal springs, which have been used for their healing properties since Roman times. The waters are rich in sulfur, bromine, and iodine, and are believed to have therapeutic benefits for the skin, respiratory system, and overall well-being. Terme di Sirmione is one of the most popular, with luxurious pools, saunas, and treatment rooms overlooking the lake. You can indulge in a soothing mud bath, a rejuvenating massage, or simply unwind in the warm, mineral-rich waters. For a truly unique experience, book an evening session and enjoy the spa's outdoor pool under the stars. One of the must-do activities in Malcesine is taking the cable car up to Monte Baldo. This mountain range, often referred to as the Garden of Europe, offers a network of trails for hiking, mountain biking, and even paragliding. The cable car journey itself is an experience, providing panoramic views as it ascends over 1,700 meters. At the top, you'll find an array of hiking paths, alpine meadows, and breathtaking vistas that stretch across Lake Garda and the surrounding region. In winter, the area transforms into a ski resort, making it a year-round destination. Cycle the Garda by Bike Trail. Cycle enthusiasts will love the Garda by Bike Trail, a spectacular cycling path that hugs the lake's coastline. This route offers some of the most scenic views of Lake Garda, with sections that are suitable for all levels of cyclists. Rent a bike and enjoy a leisurely ride while taking in the fresh air and stunning landscapes. Along the way, you can stop at charming towns and cafes for a refreshing break. Indulge in the flavors of the region with a visit to Bardolino, renowned for its exquisite wines. Take a tour of the local vineyards and wineries to learn about the winemaking process and sample some of the best red and rosé wines in Italy. Pair your tasting with a selection of local cheeses and meats for a true culinary delight. Visit Gardaland Resort. For those traveling with family or simply seeking a thrill, Gardaland Resort is Italy's premier amusement park. From adrenaline-pumping roller coasters to enchanting themed areas like Peppa Pig Land and Kung Fu Panda Academy, there's something here for visitors of all ages. Take a day trip to Verona. Visit Verona's historic landmarks, the Roman Arena, Juliet's Balcony, and charming streets. No visit to Lake Garda would be complete without a day trip to Verona, the city of love. Just a short drive from the lake, Verona is famous for its well-preserved Roman amphitheatre, where you can catch an opera performance, and Juliet's Balcony, which draws lovers from around the world. From its tranquil waters to its vibrant towns and rich history, Garda is a destination that captures the heart and soul of Italy. Each experience offers a unique glimpse into the beauty and charm of this incredible region. So, pack your bags and get ready to create unforgettable memories in Garda, Italy.